Wait, I'm nearly done.
I'm done.
I'm nearly done. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how easy it is to change your car wipers.
When your wipers need change, how do you usually get it done?
Well, normally I'll get my father to do it, or I'll send it to the mechanic.
What if I tell you that it's so easy to be changed that you can do it in the comfort of your pajamas?
No. You sure?
Yeah?
Johnson, how did you... This is my pajamas.
Anyway, let us show you how you can easily change your wipers.
Oh, yeah, wipers, yeah.
Lift up the wiper stand. Remove the old wiper by unfastening the clip and slide it out from the hook. There are many types of wiper clips: the hook type, the pin type, and the lock type. The most common of them all is the hook type, just like this one. The Bosch wiper that we have comes with a universal clip that is suitable for all of the above. Slide in the new wiper into the hook, lower down the fastener until you hear the click. Do not touch the wiper blades to reduce risk of damaging it. And we are done.
I didn't know that you could change it so easily. But I bet I can do it faster than you.
Challenge accepted. And I can do it faster, blindfolded.
Okay, Johnson, get set, go! Ooh. Wait, I'm nearly done.
I'm done.
I'm nearly done. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how easy it is to change your car wipers. What are we going to do with this old wipers?
Let's make it into a handy window wiper.
Oh.
Start with cutting a piece of old mop handle. Make little grooves on one end to fit the wipers. Cable tie them like little cross stitches. Make sure it's tight. Cut off the extra cable tie bits and you're done. Let's test it out.
Wow, this is so cool. This is so therapeutic. I can do this all day. Wait, I'm almost done. I'm nearly done. Aduh. Wait. Oh, God.